Uh, Hello students, today we are going to make a program for a Birgevita method in Python coding. Okay, so before going to the program, let us see the numerical which we are going to solve. Okay, so using Birgevita method, find the root of x raised to 4 plus x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation whose roots we are interested to find out, and initial value is given x0 equal to 1. Okay, so we are applying the synthetic division and number of iterations 2 are told. So we'll solve it till the second iteration. So we'll solve the two iterations. So first iteration, we have to take the coefficients. So coefficients here, if you observe, it is 1, 1, plus 5, plus 4, plus 4. So 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. Okay. And initial approximation is 1. So by synthetic division, we'll solve it. 1 is as it is, 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 ones are 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 ones are 11. So Bn is 15. Okay. Now again we'll solve it. 1 is as it is, 1 into 1, 1. Because we are interested to find out Cn now. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 10 into 1, 10. 10 plus 11, 21. So Cn is 21. Now our formula for the next root is P1 equal to P0 minus B4 upon C3. This is B4. It is Bn upon Cn. So here it is B0, B1, B2, B3, B4. So in this case it is B4. This is C0, C1, C2, C3. This is C3. Okay. We already have seen how to solve the numerical with the help of Birgevita method in our previous sessions. So I'm just repeating it and then we'll go for the Python coding. Okay. So initial approximation P0 was 1 minus 15 upon 21. So the next root is 0.28571. So this is iteration number 1. Similarly, we'll solve for the second iteration, wherein we will take the root as 0.28571 as the initial root. Again, we'll apply the synthetic division. We'll solve it. We'll do Cn minus C1. P2 equal to P1 minus B4 upon C3. Bn upon Cn minus 1, which is B4 upon C3. So if you put the values, you will get P2 as minus 0.49. Okay, minus 0.49, which is approximated. Exact value is minus 0.48993. Okay, same numerical we will solve in Python. Let us see. Let us see Birgevita method. Okay, so hash means it is a comment. Therefore, I put hash to understand the programmer what program he or she has written. Define f of x. Okay, then return. So in return, it has to return the value of function. So same function I am writing here: x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 plus 5x square plus 4x plus 4. So same numerical we have solved. Okay. Now we'll take the initial values from the user. So I'm using the same nomenclature. P0 is the first root. Okay, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 are the coefficients of the equation and I are the number of iterations. So P0 float input, enter the value of initial approximate root P0. It was 1 in our case. So that we are asking to the user. Then enter the value of A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. So all these value coefficients we will take and then enter the number of iterations. So in our case, it will be 2. Okay. Now the program start. Count equal to 1. Okay. While count is less than equal to I. Okay. So I are the number of iterations. So 1 is less than 2 here in our case. So yes. Yes means it will go for synthetic division. So I'm writing the formula of synthetic division. B0 equal to A0. Okay. If you see here, this is B0. B0 equal to A0. B1 is what? B1 is A0. A0 plus, sorry, A1 plus A0 into P0 will be the formula. This into this is this. Okay. So this is what? A0 into P0 plus A1 equal to B1. Okay. So this is how we have made the formulas. So B1 equal to A1 plus P0 B1, B2 equal to A2 plus P0 B1, B3 equal to A3 plus P0 B2, and B4 equal to A4 plus P0 B3. These are the normal, as we are making the calculations, I have written the formula. You can use loop also, for loop also for this. But to simplify the program, we have written it like this. Okay. Similarly, C0 equal to B0. This is the second step to find out the Cn. Here B4 is your Bn. C3 is your Cn. Okay. So here similarly I have written the formulas. B1 plus P0 into C0 is my C1. As we make the calculation in the same way I have written the formulas. Okay. And finally P1 next root equal to P0 minus B4 upon C3. Okay. So you will get P1 next root. So I have printed. Okay. Iteration. So count will be printed and new root is I am writing the new root in P1. So while loop gets executed unless and until the condition is satisfied. So this will executed twice because I will contain 2 because we want 2 iterations. So 2 less than 1, 1 less than 2, yes. 2 less than equal to 2, yes. So it will be executed twice and we will get iteration number 1 and iteration number 2. Okay. I have already run the program. Okay. So you can observe I have entered the value P0 as 1 initial approximation, A0 as 1, A1 as 1, A2 as 5, A3 as 4, A4 as 4. Number of iterations were 2. So for iteration 1 I am getting 0.2857. See, iteration number 1 I am getting just one second. Iteration number 1 I was getting 0.28571. 0.28571 and iteration number 2 minus 0.4899, minus 0.4899. Okay, so we are getting exact results, so our program is working correctly. So this is how we have conducted Birgevita method in Python coding. Okay, so I hope you have understood. This is one of the practical.